Hello and welcome to another DocsBot tutorial. I'm Keisha and today I'm going to walk you through how you can train your bot with an RSS feed. So I'm here in our DocsBot dashboard. I'm going to click on bots, and that's where all of your bots live. And so for today's demonstration, we're going to use our demo bot. So I'm going to click there. And as you can see over here, it's still awaiting sources. I haven't trained it on anything yet. So what I want to do is scroll down through all of our many options of ways that you can train your bot until I find RSS feed right here. We're going to click on that. And now I've already taken a moment to copy the link for the RSS feed that I want my chatbot to be trained on. So I'm going to paste that there. And then next, you are going to choose how frequently you want your bot to refresh from that RSS feed. So I'm going to be fancy and choose to refresh it every single day. So I'll click there. And then you'll see down lower that you can click the box if you want your bot to learn from public images in HTML or in Markdown. And I'm going to skip that for now. But as I go down and click this add source button, I'll tell you a little bit why. So right now, that RSS feed is queued and the bot is training on it right now, or it will be in just a second. And now some reasons that you might want to select that box to refresh from the public images in HTML and Markdown would be if your source has a lot of graphics that your chatbot could pull information from. That would be things like charts or graphs, diagrams. And so for my bot today, I didn't do that because the source that I pulled from doesn't have a lot of images with useful information like that. So we just skipped it. Okay, and in that short time of explanation, our bot is ready to go. And so the next thing we can do is click on chat and we can give it a whirl. So I'm just going to ask our chatbot to give me one standout feature of DocsBot. Well, let's see what it tells me. It's thinking, and here we go, just like that. So it's human escalation classification is one of the standout features, it says. So this is cool because it gives a link that we can click on for more information and tells us over here exactly what area of the source the information was pulled from. So there you have it. It's as simple as that, how you can train your bot using an RSS feed. So we hope that you find lots of useful ways to use DocsBot to enhance your business or your everyday life and to improve the productivity of your team. And please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or comments. We love hearing from you. Have a great day.